Hi again, Ray. Just going to run through something that I've noticed with the website. So if I go to, I'll just refresh this page for 1 second. So currently I'm logged out as indicated by demo and login there. If I click on an external link, one will do. So activating Google First Click Free. Give it a bit of a time to load, but anyway, we'll get down to the bottom, and the messaging is not down the bottom there for some reason. And if I click on See on Map, it's not going to the demo page, it's on the map page. So I thought it was working before, and I'm not exactly sure why it's not exactly working at the moment. Might have something to do with me possibly being logged in, even though these are showing the way they are. I'm not exactly sure. If you could have a look and try and replicate what I've just done and see how you go, that would be appreciated. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.